Hi.
Hi guys, we're at Epcot and we decided to pop in because, show them what you got. Open it up. Pow! I don't know if we'll have any luck, but he wants to trade a couple of the pins out. I want to see if there's any new Halloween merchandise. Woo. And that's about it. We're gonna go on a couple quick rides, hopefully.
And this one is the short video.
Yep, so let's go and have some fun. So this building over here is massive. This is where the Guardians of the Galaxy
Edge.
No. It's not Galaxy's Edge, it's Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster.
No, it's Galaxy Garden Edge, he said.
Oh, okay.
And then the cast member said that it is.
Oh, the cast member said it. Okay. So we're excited for when that opens. I hope it's next year.
I wish I had better pins.
Well, is there something that you see? Oh, I know which one he's going to get. I already know which one.
Which one?
I'm thinking. I think he's going to pick that one. Do you need some help? Let me see the back. Which one are you picking out? Let me see the back. Let me see. Let me hold the back. Let me hold the back. Hold on. Which one are you going to get, Jaden? Oh, you're going to get that one. I thought you were going to get the up one. But if you want the strawberry though, you can get the strawberry. Either one. Up. Okay.
Awesome.
I didn't.
Are you having fun?
See, we just got here.
That's a smart idea, though.
Very first pin trade. Yay!
There you go.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Turn it around. That's super cool. Let me see. Let me see. Wow. Do you love it?
It's awesome.
There's
so many.
All right, dude. So, how do you feel about your very first pin trade? Let's look at it a little closer. How do you feel about it? Happy? Are you like super excited? Like you want to do it more and more and more?
Yeah.
I'm excited for you. So this is his very second one, and he's got the parrot from Pirates of the Caribbean, and it was a mystery pin trade right outside here at the cart, and they've got these really cool new Halloween merchandise.
Oh, awesome. The Halloween stuff.
They got the ears and the glow necklace. And what is that? Oogie Boogie?
These are, yes.
Ooh, how cool. Yay.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
To hop on the Living with the Land ride. Jaden actually has never been on it because it does normally close around 7, and we always try to hit some of the main attractions. I, of course, have been on it before, but it's Jaden's first time. So what are you thinking? Thumbs up? think Jaden is done with the pin trading unless he finds some more. So he just got this cool Pluto one. He came with this one. We're not trading this one. And we're not trading this one. And he got the really cool that from Up and that one.
This is my third time doing it.
Yep, the third 3 pins in one day. Guys, we gotta get it in here to Mouse Gears before it closes because I want to see what Halloween stuff they have in. Woo! So this is not Halloween, but it's a new Stitch play set. It's so cute. And they have the little Stitch, what do they call these things? Oh, this is a mister. Oh, that's so cool. I thought it was like one of those light up spin toys. And then they have, oh, look at this Hawaiian Stitch. I love him. They have a huge display right in the middle of all this new Stitch stuff. Look at the cool shirt. Oh my gosh. Jacket. Oh, it's so cool. Stitches everywhere. Stitch power. They even have Stitch emoji pillows. Oh, they're so soft and they're so cool. I love them. Alright, so the first thing I have found inside Mouse Gear is their Halloween pen collection. Jaden loves some Oswald. Watch. Look at BB-8. Show us the Oswald. He loves Oswald. Maybe one day we'll get an Oswald pen. I am not going to lie. Like, I really had a lot of fun with this pen trading, and I think I'm going to end up doing it myself, guys, because it's fun. It's really exciting. And a fun fact, I used to collect the Beanie Babies back in the day, the Disney Beanie Babies. Pooh Bear was always a great one. That used to be a limited edition. Oh, look at Coco. Come over here, look at Coco. So look at these really cool rose gold Minnie Mouse. Rose gold, $19.99. We're gonna come around here because I see some new shirts. Who loves that Pinocchio one? That one is adorable. But I haven't seen that Pinocchio one, and I haven't seen the Sebastian one either. I have not seen the Grumpy, and I've not seen Going Nowhere Fast. Let me see that one. We need to get Pawpaw that shirt. Move. How about no? Alright guys, I found the Halloween merchandise. We're just gonna go through Glow in the Dark.
Oh, this is Halloween.
Yes, they've got so much cool stuff.
Oh, Halloween.
Let me see. Ooh, that one glows in the dark too. Happy Halloween 2018. Oh, look at this cool Halloween countdown calendar. This is adorable. Oh my, oh, it's, oh. Let me see. Oh, that's cute. That's super cute. And here's another shirt. Jaden, look. Look, the pumpkins were glow in the dark. How cool. You want to get it? How much are they? Oh, they're not bad. $14.99. Here's another shirt that glows in the dark. This looks like it would hold a candle. $16.99. Be careful, they're breakable. And then here's Minnie Mouse. And look over here, we've got Dracula, Donald, and Dracula Mickey. I think he's like Devil Donald. I don't think he's, oh my goodness gracious.
I'm going to eat from chicken. I'm going to eat.
Hey.
I'm going to eat a chicken from Halloween.
And they've got the Halloween ears. And I'm going to name these candy corn ears because they look like candy corn. Coming around here. Oh, they've got the traditional. Oh, this one lights up. Very cool, very cool. And I saw some more ears. I think my sister got these over here. Here's another glow necklace. Oh, look at the little snow globe. Shake it up, Jaden. Let's see. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, look at it. It lights up. I didn't know Oogie Boogie lights up. But I believe my sister might have picked up these cocoa ears. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oops.
Look, cocoa racers.
They're adorable. And look, they've got their hand-painted ornaments. Here we've got new Haunted Mansion stuff. It's an apron. And we have a napkin set. We also have, what is inside of here? Oh my goodness, these are like little tombstones. And this looks like, oh, it's like a keychain with the little tombstones on it. I'm gonna swing around here, and they have all kinds of Haunted Mansion gear. They've got frames. This is a jewelry box. It's kind of like a jewelry box or a trinket box. It's a coffin. Oh, look at the top of it. It'd be cool if she like did something with her eyes, like it in line, her eyes like open. That would have been really cool. I see, oh, light up ornaments. Ornaments. Look how cool. Boy, they got a lot of stuff. Look at these ornaments. Wow. They got so much stuff over here. Oh, look at, and then we got this little mummy. Goofy is a mummy. How cool. Super cool. Alright, we got some new shirts. I'm just gonna swing around here. The one nice thing right now, there are people in here. However, it's not like super crazy crowded. Oh, look at all the Nightmare Before Christmas ornaments. And wow. Ooh, look at this. That's so cool.
Mickey Santa.
Yes. It's Jack Skellington. Oh, look at this one. Yeah.
Frosty Skeleton.
Frosty the Snowman. Wow. What a wreath, huh? And then, let me flip around over here. What else do they have? They have some tumblers. Ooh, this looks delicious. Yum, yum. And then, oh, we already saw that. Oh, look at the little trick-or-treat bowl. That's so cool. They've got more, like, dish towels and more ornaments. Like the Headless Horseman. And Mickey Mouse. There, we got some pumpkin toppers. Here's another shirt that they got in. This has a date on it, 2018. And they've got another light up trick-or-treat thing. Necklace. They got some pretty cool new plushes. Woohoo! I'm gonna walk over here. Look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. Nightmare Before Christmas costumes. How adorable. It's so cute. Let's look at the jacket. Jack is back. Let me see, Jaden. Jack Skellington. And look at the pen trading set. Look. And there's another costume there, and I see a fleece right up there at the very top. And more Nightmare Before Christmas merchandise. What? Alright guys, I hope that you thoroughly enjoyed all the new merchandise. Enjoyed my son's very, very first pen trade. So I thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And always remember, every day is a gift. have faith, and share the joy.